Turkey shepherd's pie is a delicious and hearty dish that is perfect for a family dinner or a special occasion. It's a twist on the traditional shepherd's pie recipe, but with the addition of leftover turkey instead of ground beef or lamb. Here's a simple recipe to make turkey shepherd's pie at home. Ingredients: 4 cups leftover cooked turkey, shredded. 4 cups mashed potatoes. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup frozen mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, corn, green beans. 1 cup chicken broth. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper, to taste. Instructions. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the diced onion and minced garlic and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Add the frozen mixed vegetables and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are heated through. Add the shredded turkey to the skillet and stir well to combine with the vegetables. In a separate small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Once melted, add the all-purpose flour and whisk well to form a roux. Slowly pour in the chicken broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to whisk until the mixture thickens and comes to a boil. Pour the thickened chicken broth mixture over the turkey and vegetable mixture in the skillet. Stir well to combine. Transfer the turkey mixture to a 9-inch baking dish. Spread the mashed potatoes over the top of the turkey mixture, making sure to cover it completely. Bake the shepherd's pie in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the mashed potatoes are golden brown and the filling is heated through. Remove the shepherd's pie from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious and comforting turkey shepherd's pie.